So this short web tutorial is going to show you how to quickly create a Google Hangout on Air using YouTube Live. So once you go to your YouTube channel, what we're going to do is we're going to hit the upload button, and under the upload button up here, there's an option now that says live streaming get started. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to click on that, and now we'll get some options. So the live streaming, I have not played with the encoding at all. Just creates an extra step, and I'm not 100% sure what the benefits are. So I'm not even going to worry about that. But what I want to talk about is creating these events. So if you click on the events tab down here, you'll see all sorts of different things that I've created over time. We're going to go to this plus sign that says new live event. And if you start a new live event, it's going to ask you to title it. This is a test. And I like to make mine unlisted, especially for the podcasting piece, because we're just connecting to communicate and we want to archive this. I like sometimes archiving my Hangouts just so I have them to refresh, but not necessarily things that I want publicly shared. So you want to make sure this is selected the quick using Google Hangouts on Air. Otherwise, the custom is going to ask you to set up the encoding. So we want this to start today. We can schedule it, or we can just leave it now. I can put it in the description if I'd like. But I'm just going to leave it the way it is. So I have the title, it's unlisted, and I'm using the quick version of Hangouts on Air. So when I hit go live now, it says ready to go. We'll now enter Google Hangouts on Air. The difference between Google Hangouts on Air and Google Hangouts is on Air is the recording piece. And so now you see me, hi. And I have some settings up in here. So if I want to invite people to this, I can just go ahead and click into it, and I can use this shareable link, and I can send you that shareable link. I can also invite you via email address. The other thing is I can share a screen here. So if I wanted to share what I'm working on, I can go ahead and screen share, and I can select my entire screen. What you're going to see would be then just windows of this Hangout because it's recording me. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll stop that screen share just by clicking on that. You have your chat window and all your other features. And then to record this, I hit this button right here that says Start Broadcast. And so it's going to say, okay, your Hangout on Air will now be broadcast on YouTube. And you can broadcast for up to 8 hours. So if you wanted to record some things in your class, you can set a Chromebook up on the wall somewhere and just have it recording and running all day, just in case that moment happens. So let's go ahead. We'll hit broadcast. And now this off air button shall change. It says now we're live on YouTube. And it tells me down here that we're live. And when I'm ready to stop the broadcast, I can stop the broadcast. Now, I have some stats here and the number of viewers who are involved and things. But again, if we're just connecting, and I just wanted to record it, that's kind of what we're doing. The other piece that happens is then this is, if I go back to my live events in YouTube, and I have this is a test. I can actually click on that link, this is a test, and it won't take me into the Hangout. It's going to take me into the live YouTube stream. And I have this is a test. And so that's where the recording started. That's a great photo. When I'm done, I just stop the broadcast, and we'll say the broadcast is terminated. And over time, this will then upload my entire stream. You can actually click on that link. And then what we're doing with this is we're downloading the video and extracting the audio out for our podcasts. I hope this helps you get started, and yeah, have a great day.